Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to use Porkbun API for domain management. So step number 1, login. You should arrive at the domain management screen. Click on account in the top right corner and select API access. Create a name for your API key. This can be whatever you want. After inputting the name, click on create API key. A new box will appear that contains your API key and your secret key. Now for installing the keys, install the key by copying and pasting the API key and secret key you generated in the previous section into the configuration for your application. For instance, if you're using a Porkbun dynamic DNS client, you'll want to rename config.json.example to config.json, copy and paste the corresponding values into the file, then save the file. You still need to enable API access for each individual domain to be manipulated via the API. Click on Account in the top right corner and select Domain Management. Locate the domain on which you wish to enable API access. Click Details to the far right, then locate the API access option and click to enable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.